and unlimited calls and texts to Sky Voice mobile numbers, ABS-CBN mobile MHP mobile numbers, ABS-CBN mobile postpaid and prepaid numbers. Alright? So, magkakaroon po tayo ng kombinasyon na bawal hindihan. Dapat walang hindi dito ng customer. Dahil meron tayong cable, broadband, at meron pa rin tayong voice. So, guys, I'd like to present to you the next slide. Ito na ang bagong Sky bundles. Palawain po natin.
Bundle up and get big savings for the family with plans for all your entertainment and communication. Introducing Sky Bundles. Connect with blazing fast internet speeds and get as much as a cable TV and a mobile plus Wi-Fi at work. Save as much as $13,000 annually. With Sky Bundles. That is
Ayan, handa-handa na tayo para lumaban lalo na.
ABS-CBN mobile home phone now joins Sky Bundles. The love is sharing.
Maliit lang pala ang load dito.
ABS-CBN mobile home phone now joins.
Okay, nakita natin ang ground version ng ating TV plug na nagpapakilala ng bagong Sky Bundles. Okay? Pero makikita nyo kanina na meron tayong bagong weapon, ang ating ABS-CBN mobile phone. Pati si Monitor, naging excited.